All right, the next method where we showed you rinseless wash, and that's only if your vehicle is a little bit dirty. It has to be real light dirt there. And I'm going to show you how to do your car with a foam cannon. Now, we always want to work top to bottom so that the dirt runs down, right? If I clean this panel and then I wash this panel, the dirt's going to run down onto it. So you're going to start up top, but we're just doing demonstration purposes here for the video. So I'm going to start around here and work down. We're not going to do the convertible top. So I have this one you'll really just need a rinse bucket. So I've got a auto fiber microfiber mitt with a grit guard in the bottom that I showed you in a previous video. So we're going to rinse it off. Going to get the vehicle wet. You notice it does fall off, tends to fall off and bead a lot more because it is ceramic coated. And I'm going to switch out my 40-degree tip, and I'm going to replace it with this MTM foam cannon. And so what we're going to do here, we'll foam up the whole car like that, but for this purpose, we're just going to do this panel. And this is just fresh water in here. That's it, just fresh water. There's no soap in this bucket, just the grit guard. And starting from the top again, nice light pressure. Once you move on from one panel, so say we finish this panel, as soon as you start to get dirty, you're gonna rub, you probably won't be able to see it on camera because of the soap, but you're gonna rub it on the grit guard and then wring it out. And that should trap the dirt in the bottom of the bucket. You got nice fresh water. The more time you take to rinse and, you know, work on smaller sections, the less likely you are to get dirt trapped, so forth and so on. A little bit easier on the paint. All right, so now we've got this all nice and rinsed out. We're gonna take our cannon off. It's a little quick connect here. Comes with most foam cannons. We're gonna wash top to bottom. And then for drying, again, we have multiple options of towels. See how easy that comes off? Again, mainly because it's ceramic coated and you've done a good job with the foam. Just notice how I'm just kind of dragging it along. And if I need to, you know, I can maybe buff out that extra, or I can just call in the reserve towel. This is just a plush detailing towel from Auto Fiber. They all have specific uses. You can kind of mix and match depending upon what you like the best. See how easy that is? And then you'll do the same with the wheel, except you'll want to use a different towel on the wheel. You don't want to use that same towel because when you go later on, you're gonna wash them in the washing machine, or they're gonna get mixed together, and you don't want the brake dust mixing with the painted surfaces.